Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S650 Maybach. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Everything here looks spotless. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks spotless as well, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back. The trunk and back bumper are both in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches back here at all. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Okay, both of these doors are spotless. They have no scratches at all, no dents, everything is perfect. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that looks good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the rest of the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Okay, let's have a look at the steering wheel. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. We're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.